Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown, book 3. Open your countdown. Students, as we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2, that is number operation. So students, today we are going to discuss page number 96. Students, today we are going to do the question number 16, that is division. So here we are going to divide all these questions of question number 16, and in the next we are going to do the question number 17, the first 4 parts. Okay students, let's start it. So students, now let's start our first part, in which we are going to divide 732 by the 6. Let's start dividing, students. Look at the first number of our dividend. This one is greater from our divisor, so we can divide it. 6 ones are 6. So students, here I am writing the 6 under the number 7. In the next step, that is subtraction, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now look at this, students, this one is being smaller from my divisor, so I can't divide it further. I will have to bring this 3 down here. Now this number will be 13. Now students, I can divide it by my divisor. Read the table of 6 with me. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So students, 6 twos are 12. Here I am writing the number 12 here. In the next step, that is subtraction. Now students, 3 minus 2 is 1. Here I am writing the number 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to bring this 2 down here. And now this will be again the number 12. So students, read the table of 6 till the number 12. Yes, 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. Which means that we have completed our question with no remainder, because 12 minus 12 is 0. So students, our quotient is 122. Here is our next part B, students, in which we are going to divide 516 by the 2. Let's compare the first digits. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So students, 2 twos are 4. Next step is subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. This one is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this one down and make this number 11. Now I can divide the number 11 by my divisor. Read the table of 2 with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. I can write the number 10 beneath the number 11. So students, 5 twos are 10. In the next step, that is subtraction, 1 minus 0 is 1. Here I am writing the number 1, and this one is again smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 6 down here, and this will become the number 16 now. Now students, read the table of 2 till the number 16. 2 8s are 16. Now look at this, student. 16 minus 16 is 0, which means that our remainder is 0 or no remainder. Our quotient of this question is 258. We have divided it completely. Next is our part C, in which we are going to divide 501 by the number 3. Let's compare the first digits. 5 is being greater from the number 3, so we are writing 3 ones are 3 here. In the next step, we are doing the subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this 0 down here. When I take this 0 down here, this will become the number 20. Now I can divide it by my divisor. Now students, read the table of 3. Here I am writing 3 6 are 18, because 3 7s are 21 and 21 can't be written under this 20. Okay. Now students, in the next step, that is subtraction, here the carry will be taken towards this 0 and this will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now this 2 is again smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this one down here, and this will become the number 21. Now students, read the table of 3 to get the number 21. Yes, 3 sevens are 21. So here I have written the number 21. In the next step, that is subtraction, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. So our remainder is 0, which means that we have completely divided our dividend by our divisor. Next question is part D. So students, here we are dividing 636 by the number 4. Let's divide it. Compare the first digit. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Can't written 8, so I will have to write 4 ones are 4 here. In the next step, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so we'll have to take this 3 down here, and this number will become the number 23. Now read the table of 4 to get the number 23 or smaller from the 23. As we know that 4 5s are 20, so here I am writing the number 20. In the next step, that is subtraction, I will subtract 3 from the 0 and my answer will be 3. Here I have left with my remain dividend, the third part, that is the 6. Now students, read the table of 4 to get the number 36. Yes, 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 36 is 0, which means that we have completed our question. We have divided our dividend completely, and our quotient is 159. Students, next question is part E, in which we are going to divide 730 by the number 5. Let's divide it, student. 5 ones are 5 because 7 is greater from my divisor. In the next step, that is subtraction, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now this 2 is being smaller from my divisor. In the next step, I am taking this 3 down to divide it further. So students, read the table of 5 to get the number 23 or smaller from 23. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Now students, in this I am writing the subtraction, 3 minus 0 is 3, and now this 0 is left, so I am writing it with this 3 because 3 is smaller from my divisor. Now students, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Read the table till the 30. 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. So students, here I am writing 30 beneath the 30, and in the next step, that is subtraction, 30 minus 30 is 0, which means that I have left with no remainder. I have divided my dividend completely by my divisor 5. Here is my next part, part F. 795 is being divided by the number 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here I am writing the number 3 twos are 6 here. So students, in the next, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now students, here 1 is being smaller from my divisor, so we'll have to take this 9 down here. This will become the number 19. So read the table of 3 to get 19 or the number smaller from the 19. So students, 3 6 are 18. Here I am writing the number 18 beneath the number 19. So students, 9 minus 8 is 1. Now in the third step, bring the 5 down here, and this will become the number 15. Now students, 3 5s are 15. In the next step, 3 5s are 15, and we are going to subtract it further. 15 minus 15 with 0 remainder. So we have completed our division of dividend 795 by our divisor 3. Student, here is our next part G, in which we are going to divide 864 by the number 6. So students, 6 ones are 6. In the next step, we are going to do the subtraction. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I am taking this 6 down here, and this will become the number 26. Now we can divide it further. So students, read the table of 6 to get the number 26. 6 fours are 24. I can write 24 beneath the number 26. In the next step, I am taking the subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. So students, now 2 is undivisible by my divisor, so I am taking my 4 down here, and now this will become the number 24. So we will divide it again. 6 fours are 24. Now 24 minus 24 is 0 or no remainder, which means that we have completed our division 864 by our divisor 6. Next is the part H, in which we are going to divide 868 by the number 7. Now students, let's divide it. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is 1, and in the next 1 is being smaller from the 7, so bring the 6 down here. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Now students, next step is subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 is being again smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this 8 down here, and now this will become the number 28. 7 fours are 28. Now students, 28 minus 28 is 0 or the no remainder. So students, we have completed our question 868 division by the number 7. Students, still here we have completed our question number 16, and next we are going to do the question number 17, but only the first 4 parts. Okay students, now let's start our question number 17. We are going to do the question number 17. So students, I am reading the statement first. Divide and write the remainder. So students, here in all the questions we will divide them first and then we will write their remainder. Okay students, let's start with our first part A, in which 475 is being divided by the number 4. Let's solve it. Students, you are going to copy these questions on your neat notebook. Here I have written the exercise first and then question number 17. Students, our exercise is 2E and question number 17. Here is the first part A. So students, as we know that we will firstly compare the first digits of our divisor and our dividend. Let's do it. 4 ones are 4. Next step is subtraction. So students, in the subtraction 4 minus 4, that is 0. So I have to bring this 7 down here and this will be here. So students, this 7 is being bigger from my divisor. So read the table of 4 till the number 7 or the number that is smaller from this 7. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So students, 8 is being bigger, so I am writing again 4 ones are 4. Next step is subtraction again. So students, when we are subtracting 4 from the 7, our answer is 3. But this 3 is being smaller from my divisor, so I am writing this 5 down here. This will become the number 35. Now students, read the table of 4 till the 35 or less than the 35. Read it with me students. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. 32 is being nearest to my number 35. Let's read it. 4 nines are 36. So students, I can't write the 36 here, so I will have to write the number 32 down this. So students, 4 8s are 32. So I am writing my number 32 here. Next step is subtraction again. So students, when we are subtracting, starting from the ones column, 5 minus 2 and my remainder is 3. 3 minus 3, that is the 0. So this will be my remainder because this 3 is smaller from my divisor. I can't divide it further. So students, this 3 is my remainder. Okay. Here I am writing REM, that is representing my remainder. What is my quotient, students? My quotient is 118. So students, next is part B, in which we are going to divide 583 by the divisor 5. Here I have written this question on your notebook. Let's compare our dividend and our divisor. As first digits are equal, so 5 ones are 5. And students, next step is subtraction. Very good. Now I am writing this 8 down here. Next step is, this 8 is bigger from my divisor, so I can divide it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is being bigger. I can't write the 10 here. I will have to write 5 ones are 5 again. So students, next step is subtraction again. 5 minus 8 is 3. Here I am writing the number 3. 3 is smaller from my divisor, so I will have to take this 3 down here. And my word will become 33. Now students, read the table of 5 till the 33 or the number that is smaller from this 33. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. 35 is bigger, so I have to write 5 6 are 30. Here I am writing the product of my quotient and my divisor, that is 30. Now students, 3 minus 0 is 3. As you know that when we subtract 0 from any number, there will be no change on the number. So students, this 3 can't be divided further because this one is smaller from my divisor. Here I am writing it as a remainder. 3 is my remainder. Students, here is my next part C. So students, let's compare divisor with the first digit. Digit is being bigger, so I can write it here. 3 ones are 3s and 3 twos are 6. Here is my answer 6. Next step is subtraction. I am bringing down 8 here because 6 minus 6 is 0. So read the table of 3 till the 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. As 9 is being bigger, so I am writing 3 twos are 6 here. Next step is subtraction again. So students, 8 minus 6 is 2. And this 2 is being smaller from my divisor, so I have to bring down this 2 here. Now this number is being 22. Okay, read the table of 3 till we get the number 22. So students, 3 sevens are 21. I can write the 21 beneath this 22. So 3 sevens are 21. Here I am writing the number 21 beneath my number 22. Next is subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So students, this one is being smaller from my divisor, so I can't divide it further. So this one will be my remainder. I am writing the REM, that is representing it as my remainder. And my quotient is 227. Next is the part D. So students, look at this. First digits are equal, so we can divide it easily. 6 ones are 6. Next is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I have to bring this 9 down here. Read the table of 6 till the 9. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Can't write the 12. I will have to write 6 ones are 6 down it. Okay. So students, 9 minus 6 is 3. Next step is bringing this 8 down. This will become the number 38. Now students, 38, read the table of 6 till we get the number 38 or smaller from the 38. as we know that 6 are 36. So students, I can write 36 beneath it because 36 is being nearer to the number 38. 8 minus 6 and my remainder is 2 because this 2 is smaller from my divisor and I can't divide it further. Here is my remainder, that is the 2. So students, our quotient is 116. So students, as we have completed our question number 16 and the question number 17 till the part D. So students, this is our today's work. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.